Guys, it's me, and we're at the next part of Ratchet and Clank Into the Nexus's Gargathon hunt. And right now, as you can see, I'm gonna try. I think this is how you get one of the things. I don't like the keys. Oh boy. Yeah, this doesn't look too easy. I only have about 40 something seconds, and if I don't complete it, I'll fail completely. No pressure, no pressure. Just gotta get there in time, basically. And look, I already got tons of time left. Now all I gotta do is get this guy. Hey, get over here. So now so now I just gotta get back here and throw the bot here. And I'm pretty sure this battery bot was in a cracking time. I'm very sure about that. Oh. No! Ah, one more try. This mission's kind of hard and annoying at the same time. Because you gotta manage to try to make it back here in time. And I'm out of fuel now, so it's gonna make it even worse. Get here, little boy! Ah! 22, 21, 20. Okay. At least, whoa, wrong way. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. No! Okay. This is the last time I'm gonna try this, guys, and if I don't get it, I'm not trying it again. No, sirree! Because Devin don't like that mission. Okay. Almost got it. Yeah, but, at least I'm getting better time now. Oh, wait, I'm not. I might even be doing worse. At least I'm almost there now. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yes! Yes! I got the key! Excalibur! Yes, I got one of the keys to unlock the door.
Good job, friend. We'll have this container open in no time.
Well, I literally just wasted most of the time looking for that one little... Oh! I didn't notice this little gargathon over here. You lonely, little buddy? I want to try to upgrade the warmonger since I barely had any time to use it in the regular LP. So, I thought I'd use the warmonger where it should be used. Now, if you remember this area, oh, look what I found. I think this Let's Play is getting more, you know, productive. Oh, darn it. Get him! Huh. Well, that was actually pretty this wasn't a good place to run out of fuel. Oh boy. I'm gonna need to find some more fuel, but where's the fuel cans? Oh, I'm gonna have to go all the way back now to get it, anyway. Yeah, well, yeah. It may seem like I'm ignoring the other videos, but if you guys don't remember earlier, oh, I'm gonna try to, yeah, I won't be able to get another beast anyways, but, I was mainly doing that so I can, you know, let go of the other videos. I'm still doing the random vids and everything, like the Up Your Arsenal Ultra Crash, if anybody remembers that. Probably, nobody does, even though that video literally just came out pretty recent. Oh, trying to look for the code pieces, and one of the code pieces is all the way up there. So I'm going to use the map to my advantage. Oh, oops. No, I don't want to. I love this game too much. Keep pushing that button. Trying to find where that key thing is. I think I could see where it's hidden now. Oh, I already passed it. Almost there. Passed it. Oh, there it is. Trying to hide from me, huh? Well, you can't, because I'm the divinator. So yeah, these parts are going to be very unproductive, but I'm going to try to upload all these Jak and Daxter Ratchet and Clank parts a little bit quicker. You know? I don't see another one of the code. Oh, there it is, but it's all the way over there. Maybe for now, try to get some of these gargathon horns, because that's what we're trying to do. Gargathon hunt. It's in the Let's Play. It's kind of like a semi-Let's Play in the Into the Nexus series. It's still part of the Into the Nexus Let's Play, but this time, all this has to do is with the gargathon horn hunting. Oh, look at this! This Let's Play the beginning might have been kind of annoying, but at least now I finally got some. Hey, where did that gargathon thing go? It was right there. What the heck? Pretty sure I just saw that thing right there. Where'd you go, gargathon? I'll find. Oh, there you are. Thought you could hide from me, huh? Well, you can't. 'Cause I got impressive skills.
Another set of horns. Get going.
Now, where's that other piece at? Oh, a Rhino holoplan. Kind of running out of fuel, but guess we'll end the part with a bang since we're almost out of time here by getting that Rhino V holoplan, or Rhino 5. Where is it? Am I going the wrong way? Yep. Somewhere down here. No. Oh, yes! That was really funny. Oh man, how I just got it. It's like I fall down and then I get it. Well, we're gonna end off the part here, guys, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.